Alright, before I spill the magic beans, don't forget to click the link in the description below for a special offer. Seriously, it's shinier than a unicorn with a glitter subscription. So, you want to make content on Submagic, huh? Buckle up, because in the next couple minutes, I'll show you how to whip up videos that'll have your followers sending you virtual high fives. Step 1. Sign up for Submagic. It's quicker than microwaving instant noodles. Just hit the site, slap in your email, and boom, you're in. Now, upload your video. Drag and drop it. Click that big ol' button. If it was any easier, it'd upload itself. Here's where the magic happens. Submagic will automatically generate captions for your video faster than you can say subtitles make everything better. And trust me, captions are like the secret sauce. Everyone loves them. But wait, it gets better. You can customize those captions. Change the font color size, make them as fancy or as chill as you want. I like mine so bold, even my grandma can read them without her glasses. Feeling spicy? Add some motion effects to your subtitles. Make them bounce, wiggle, do the cha-cha. If your captions aren't dancing, are you even trying? Now, let's talk about templates. Submagic's got a whole buffet. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. Pick your flavor. Seriously, it's like a costume party for your content. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, hit export. Submagic cooks up your video faster than I can burn toast. Download it, post it, and wait for those likes to roll in. And pro tip, don't forget to use the Comica subtitle style for that extra pop. It's like giving your captions a caffeine shot. Alright, you're officially ready to make content that slaps on Submagic. But hey, remember, click the link in the description below to grab your special offer, because who doesn't love a good deal? Now go make something awesome. I'll be here, cheering you on with my microwave noodles.